Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to rearrange the sheets. If you're having a 10 sheet, you just want to rearrange the sheets, you can use this method and to rearrange the sheets on your Google Sheets mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rearrange the sheets on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on this plus symbol and open a new spreadsheet here. And this is going to add more sheets like this. I just going to add a 4 sheet here. So I just going to enter the data manually. So like this, whatever that is, okay. And after, click on the OK symbol and click on the OK symbol on the top. Now you will see the sheets has been appeared here. So I just want to go move the fourth sheet to the first position. So this is the one thing that I just want to explain. So you can't long press it and you can't track it. In some softwares they provide that you can be moved by using clicking, long press it and tracking. That's so useful. But here you just want to click on this menu, then just scroll down. You will see an option called move left. Just click this, then again move left and click again and move left. Like that, you just want to move left or right. You can see every sheet has that option to move left or right. This is how it's work on the Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.